Hello, my name is Ellie from Seaford MG, and today I'm going to be showing you around the MG ZS Exclusive in the stunning tri-coat metallic red called Dynamic Red. This particular car has just done 39,805 miles. Being the exclusive model, it comes with plenty of features. As you can see from the front, we've got the daytime running lights, the headlights and your fog lights. And then going into the vehicle, you've got the full leather interior with the white stitching, and then this car does also feature the navigation, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio, cruise control and plenty more. And then just going around to the back of the vehicle as well for you, you'll notice that the exclusive model features the rear parking sensors and reverse camera as well. This car will also feature the remaining of the manufacturer's warranty. If you would like a personalised video of the vehicle or would like to book a test drive, please feel free to get in contact. You can visit our website or call us on 01323 898818.